Messing around on YouTube the other night, I found a video of a guy with a Daytona 675 and I believe a 2003 Cobra Terminator. I happen to have almost identical toys. I got an 04 Term and a Daytona 675. Anyways, he cranked them both up to see which one sounded best. I thought I'd do the same. Full exhaust. 2.76 cold air. Diablo Sport. Got about 14 pounds of boost. I purchased the car about 4 months ago. Got it for an early 40th birthday present. Wanted it the day it was built. Just didn't work out, but it was worth the wait. That is all I've gotten to do to it so far. You've probably seen that gear shifter knob guy on eBay. It's actually a pretty high quality piece. That's a Steeda arm that I got off American Muscle. Anyways, that's all I've done to it since I've gotten it. But $59,000 miles on it. Anyways, if you have the means, I highly recommend. Let's check out the Daytona. That's Poop. What's up, Poop? I got this about a year ago, I guess. Traded my Harley. Time for something new. I've enjoyed it much more than my Harley. Anyways, I've got the factory exhaust on this guy. Kind of like it. $7,800 miles. Anyways, that's the toys.